Hello guys, welcome back to CarTalk Sri Lanka. So today I'm going to do a quick POV drive and finance review for Toyota Aqua. Actually, a few years ago I did a finance review for Toyota Aqua, but now the numbers have changed. So let's start. So it started to rain when I was about to go out, but I did it anyways. So this car has a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder petrol engine with an electric motor, and the total system output is around 99 horsepower, and that is paired to a CVT transmission, which is more reliable than DCT transmissions you see in vehicles like Honda Vezel. So at city speeds it will mostly stay in EV mode as long as you are careful about the throttle, and when it comes to higher speeds like speeds above 50-60 kilometers per hour, it will switch to the engine, and that transition between the electric motor and the engine is very smooth. Regarding the view you get a good view from the front, but you sit quite low in the car, so some people may not like it, especially if you are a short person, because then you can't clearly see what's in front of you. Suspension is okay, it's not soft, it's bit on the firm side, but then again it helps with the handling of the car, and especially when you go around corners, this feels really planted. NVH levels are also fine since you don't hear much of the outside noise, and overall it's a very easy car to maneuver around town since it's a hatchback. So this car has an average fuel consumption of around 25 kilometers per liter. And to calculate the average fuel cost of the car, we will use our assumption that you will drive the car at least 30 kilometers every single day. So that means 900 kilometers per month and around 10,000 kilometers per year. So to go 900 kilometers per month, you will need 36 liters of fuel. And you can use 92 octane petrol for this car, so that means 36 liters multiplied by 923, which is the current petrol price in Sri Lanka for 92 octane. You'll have a fuel cost around 10,548 rupees per month. And regarding service cost, you need to get this car serviced once in every 5,000 kilometers. That means you need to do 2 services per year if you drive 10,000 kilometers. And on average it costs around 35,000 rupees per service, which brings to an annual service cost of 70,000 rupees. So the monthly cost is somewhere around 5,833 rupees per month. And regarding insurance, yearly it costs somewhere around 122,000 rupees. So as a monthly cost, it's 10,166 rupees. And to renew the vehicle revenue license, it will cost 4,000 rupees per year. So as a monthly cost, that's around 333 rupees. And I would also advise you to keep around 4,000 rupees per month for any miscellaneous costs. And this includes random repairs that comes time to time, like tires, wipers, stuff like that. So if you look at the total average monthly cost of running this car without a lease payment, and based on the assumption you drive it for 30 kilometers every single day, that is around 30,880 rupees per month, which is very good. So with that guys, I'll let you enjoy the rest of the POV drive. Be safe, drive carefully, and see you in the next one. Cheers.